Hello, my name is Erica Rizon, and I partnered with Gary Ramsey at Ramsey Customs to put together this video series where we're going to be teaching you how to use Fusion360 for your press brake projects. This feature is important. So this says that you are going to start at the bend. You're going to start bending at the bend line. That's not what I want. I want the center. I want those bend lines to always be the center line of the punch. And then I can go over and select this one here, which I want to be only 45 degrees. And then we are going to simulate the part bending. And I'll show you that again from a side view